If you are searching for an affordable, high-performing 15-piece knife set from a trusted culinary brand to replace a dull set or outfit a new kitchen, the Henckels Statement knife block set is one of the most popular options available. Upgrading your daily kitchen tools can make meal prep faster and safer, but understanding how this stamped stainless steel collection performs helps determine whether it fits your cooking style. Quick disclosure: the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The primary highlights of the Henckels Statement collection are its razor-sharp stainless steel edge retention and lightweight precision stamped construction. Built from high-quality stainless steel, each single-piece stamped blade offers a stain and rust-resistant finish that delivers clean cuts across meats, bread, fruits, and vegetables without feeling overly heavy in the hand. Ergonomics are centered around ergonomic triple-riveted handles with a stainless steel end cap. This traditional full-tang look provides a comfortable grip and good balance during repetitive slicing and chopping sessions. Versatility across all cooking tasks is achieved through a carefully selected 15-piece layout. The set includes a 3-inch paring knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, 7-inch hollow-edge Santoku knife, 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, 6 4.5-inch steak knives, kitchen shears, a professional honing steel, and a natural hardwood block to store everything securely on your counter. Maintenance is straightforward. While Henckels lists these knives as dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, hand washing and drying immediately after use is always recommended to preserve the edge sharpness, prevent water spots, and keep the blades looking brand new for years. When evaluating who the Henckels Statement 15-piece set is best suited for, it stands out as an excellent choice for everyday home cooks, new homeowners, apartment setups, and holiday gifting. On the other hand, if you prefer heavy, ultra-thick forged German knives with heavy bolsters, keep in mind that these are lightweight stamped blades designed for easy handling and maneuverability. Before making your final choice, consider whether having a complete, matching cutlery set with a built-in honing rod solves your kitchen prep needs. If this looks like the right blend of value, sharpness, and versatility for your home, you can check current pricing and availability through the product link in the description. If this breakdown helped clarify the features of the Henckels Statement 15-piece knife block set, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point product overviews. If you have any questions or favorite kitchen tools, leave them in the comments below.